Hello guys, my name is Dr. Deepak Anjana, currently doing internship at MJ Medical College Indore. In today's video, we will talk about how to apply for internship in Delhi after passing FMG exam. So welcome Dr. Anukrati. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, thank you Deepak for introducing me. Myself Anukriti Bhagwaj, and I am currently interning from RML Hospital, Delhi. I did my MBBS from same as that of Deepak. So I did it from ISM, International School of Medicine, Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. And and I've recently passed my MCI in December 2020.
So thank you Dr. Anukrati for joining us.
Most welcome.
In Delhi, how much is fees for internship? Basic fees for internship.
There are about 13 to 15 colleges where you can apply, and the fee vary from college to college. For example, in Safdarjung in RML there is no fee. In Hindu Rao and ESI, if you go for Hindu Rao and ESI, there is a nominal fee of about like 12 and 10,000 respectively. And if there are some other colleges, for example BL Kapoor and BL Kapoor, and so there is about 90,000 is the fee for the internship, just for the internship.
So
and there is also
Jaipur
Golden. And it varies. There is also Jaipur Golden, where you have to pay the fund of 45,000, I assume. So and in Holy Family you have to pay initially 60,000, but it's refundable. So that's how it goes.
So how to select college? Like what is the procedure in Delhi to apply for internship?
Well, actually, you do not select the college. College does select you. You have to wait for you have to give the interviews for the respective college. Whenever you have to wait whenever the interviews come, and you have to appear in the interviews, and then you have to like also DDU. DDU is also there. So I gave the interview of Hindu Rao twice, and that's it just. So interviews keep on coming for Hindu Rao, Safdarjung, RML and ESI, also for DBU. In the rest of the college, there you have to walk. There are kind of walk-in interviews, so you just have to walk in, and if you are ready to pay the fee whatsoever they have asked for, then you can do it right away.
So there are some colleges where you can get directly internship after paying.
You can give if you are ready to pay, then you can get it right directly.
But for this Safdarjung, RML and the different college, we have to wait for interview. So this how often this interview conducted, like twice a year or like thrice? How many times?
Actually, ideally it is conducted like every 3 months or 4 months. But now, because we know the COVID situations and whatsoever, the interviews are they are like very random. Because now we were expecting RML's interview like maybe in early Feb or in the end of the Feb, but they came right now, like in June. ESI release it twice a year interview, and Safdarjung also thrice a year it does. So it varies. That too also varies. Like it's very random.
So this is all about how to select first. Like you passed in interview for RML, you selected. So then what is the procedure for like RML? How to apply? What is the procedure for like Delhi Medical Counseling and till you start your internship?
So as soon as you clear your exam, you get your pass certificate. On the basis of that, you can apply for DMC. DMC is like primary requirement for RML and also Safdarjung. But in Hindu Rao, just with the pass certificate, you can start your internship, and later on you can give your DMC also. And the thing is that as soon as you clear your MCI, you have to apply for DMC. And you apply for the DMC. When you get the DMC, so this is the first most prior requirement of the documents in RML. If you talk about RML, I keep on getting on its sites, and also through different Telegram accounts you get to know that the interviews are coming, and that's how you know this same fraternity. So interview keeps on coming, and then you have to apply. You have to go to the administrative department of RML and submit the required documents. and then you get shortlisted for the interviews. Ideally this happens, they did not happen like this time. When I got selected, we got selected just like that. But otherwise, ideally, what happens? You give your documents and the application form, and then they shortlist you for the interview. Then interviews takes place, and then you get selected. So this is the ideal process. Yeah.
So how to apply in Delhi Medical Council?
How to apply in Delhi Medical
Yes.
Council? You can apply directly online. You have to pay the amount of 8,000 rupees, and and you can apply it online. You get the acknowledgement, and as soon as you acknowledgement, and within 20 days from that, you have to recheck. You have to get your documents rechecked in MNC. They give you the date via email.
Okay.
So you have to get your documents rechecked in MNC, and then you get your DMC likewise once you get your documents. Yeah.
So after the DMC registration come provisional, then we can apply in hospital.
Yeah, in some of the
In
hospitals.
some
like,
hospital, in some directly
yeah.
after
As
pass
per the
certificate we can
requirements.
apply.
Yeah.
So and then what document required to apply in college, like in hospitals?
Whatsoever they ask, they mostly ask for the pass certificate, the DMC provisional, and your scorecard and degree. Also the NOCs from your respective college and university. Yeah,
Okay.
these are the four prior most documents, and then little bit it varies. Like,
Okay.
but mostly
Mostly
prior
these
are
documents,
these.
yes.
Mostly these, yeah.
Okay. So why you select Delhi?
Actually, I'm basically from Ujjain, MP. You are
Yes.
also from Madhya Pradesh, yeah.
Yes.
So you better know that how much we have to pay back in MP. Like a wholesome amount of 3 lakhs approximately, right?
Yes, I paid 3 lakh.
You paid, and I was reluctant to pay any money for doing my internship. So I thought that I'll rather wait than to pay.
Okay, so that's why you choose.
Pay.
Delhi.
Yeah, that's why I chose. Secondly, I further see that for the preparation of, and also since I'm FMG, so I had this keen thing to, I wanted to learn the
yes.
practical scenarios in a better way, the clinical cases in better way. So
Yeah.
this is
Internship
Delhi
is good in
something,
Delhi.
Internship is better in Delhi, and you get to see, big hospitals are there, big government places are there.
Yes.
So I thought that I'll get to know better and get to learn better. So that's why. Yeah.
So how is your internship experience till now? It's like easy or hectic, or how is it going?
Well, as far as RML is concerned till now, since they've taken so many interns, so it's going pretty chill. Like, and also it differs from department to department. Initially, I started my cycles with surgery, so I was doing psychiatry rotations firstly. So psychiatry rotations were pretty chill. That I have to appear twice a week or so, and also it was interesting. Secondly, I got radio, so I have to go every day till 1 o'clock, and sometimes I have to stay till 4. And if you are keen, then you get to learn things. If you are not interested, then it's up to you, na? Like you can escape or what. Right now, my PDI is going on, and I'm like really enjoying it because I'm getting to know the things. It's hectic though, but it's worth it. You'll like it.
If someone want to prepare for NEET PG throughout the internship, so he or she will get time or not with internship in RML?
In RML, I think they can get. There are certain rotations which are hectic, which are very much time consuming, and if you are working for like straight 8 to 10 hours, then you get back home, then you need to rest. So those cycles might not fetch you that much time, but in rest of them you can easily prepare.
Okay.
Even though I'm not prepared.
Totally
Yeah.
understandable. So there is any discrimination with foreign medical graduate compared to Indian medical graduate, or something like? Is there any discrimination you faced till now?
See, I have not faced till now, because whatsoever I faced, every intern, they do not like, every intern is same. And even PG first year, PG second year, they're meant to be like humiliated somehow, na?
Okay.
So because we are the very primary level of,
Yes.
being a doctor or whatsoever, however you call it. So yeah, so in terms of discrimination, no,
Okay.
I would say no. But yeah, you have to like continuously, you have to keep on studying. Also, the thing is that any day your viva can happen. So you have to stay prepared, and if you are not prepared, so you have to prepare. If you are not prepared for viva or answering the questions, you have to be prepared to get insulted. So that's how it goes. It's
Means
no
PG and
discrimination.
consultant are supportive.
Yeah, actually, yeah, they are pretty much, I must say. PGs are mostly. SRs are not that much, and then consultant does not pay attention whosoever you are. It's like that.
Understood. So it's all about internship, and is there like all India there will be no stipend in Delhi too?
No, not at all.
Not at
You
all.
won't get any stipends. Yeah.
Yes. So
Also, I forgot to mention,
Yes.
since you have, I'm sorry to interrupt, since you have mentioned about the stipend, there is Northern Railways who releases interviews every month. Yeah. So, yeah, and you have to pay a certain amount. I'm not very sure. I'll let you know later on so that you can put it. So, but no, it probably, there are some selected students who provides about stipend of 5,000 or something per month. Yeah. In Northern Railways, yeah.
for
Yeah.
medical
Then,
graduate
no,
too.
to everyone, whosoever is the intern.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great.
Hmm.
And part-time job. What are the option in Delhi for part-time job with internship?
See, if you want to go through the legal ways, or I must say the bare minimum requirement is the DMC permanent registration.
Okay.
For the locum jobs or whatsoever part-time jobs. But otherwise, you also get to do the jobs like on the basis of your acknowledgement as well, and on the basis of a provisional as well. You get to do the jobs. So if you are having enough time, you can do the locum jobs like one-day jobs, or you can do the permanent if you can adjust the times. You can do, but legally they require permanent DMC at the least.
So how much money we can expect in that part-time job?
See, in locum now, if you know that it's all about like work game. See, if you can do the procedures, do the certain procedures, you can handle the emergency, you can manage it such way, so you can get it done. Like you can get it hourly on the basis of hours, like up to 300 to 400 per hour. So in one day you can also get up till 8,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's good option if someone's financial condition are not good, he can choose that part-time job.
Yeah.
So okay, so till now completed the part-time job related. What are the future job option as a MBBS in Delhi?
Future job options.
After
once you have
completing
completed
your
it-
internship.
Once you have completed your internship, you can apply for JRship in government hospitals as well and otherwise as well. So if you get to clear that JRship interviews, you can you can get the jobs easily.
So in JRship, what are the availabilities? It's easy to take, or somehow we have to face difficulty, or we have to wait for that.
We can
And how
easily
much?
get it.
Will you recommend Delhi for internship to other foreign medical graduates?
Yeah,
like
I'd
for
say.
those from Rajasthan, MP, or other state.
I can. Delhi is pretty recommendable, and if you want to get it done from here, it's easy, and also it's a good learning experience. So yeah, you can really do it from Delhi if you are willing to. Yeah.
And what's your plan for your future after
My
internship?
plan, it's pretty clear. I'll be preparing for the NEET after this. Straightforward, I'll be preparing for the NEET, and also I'll be working. Obviously now I have to start working, so I'll probably start working then as a JR. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Anupati, for all this information. At the end, what you want to tell to your juniors, or like some people, those who cleared just now FMG exam, anything you want to tell them?
Yeah, the only thing is that do not waste time. If you are you have decided to do it from Delhi, do it from Delhi right away. Start apply your DMC right away until the interviews come. Start doing PSM. You can PSM rather than wasting months here and there. So do not wait for
So we
anything.
can when we are waiting for interview, we can do a PSM in that time,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Meanwhile, you
What
can
is
do
procedure
PSM.
for that?
There is you have to go to this medical council. There is an office in New Delhi.
Okay.
So you have to
Okay.
go there, and there are two separate floors for North Delhi and South Delhi medical councils respectively. So from whichsoever you want to do, like whatsoever is near from your place, to wherever you want to get it done from. So you have to give certain documents, and you have to get your DD made of 2,000 rupees. Yeah,
Okay.
and you have to submit it there, and then likewise your PSM internship will begin. It will be of 2 months, one from urban, one from rural. So yeah, so it will begin. So as soon as you clear your FMG, if you are willing to do it from Delhi, and you've decided, you have firmly decided, so like apply for DMC right away, and also start with your PSM.
Yes, sir.
At least acknowledgement of DMC is required for PSM until
Yes,
your
sir.
interviews come. So you can do it for PSM. Yeah. Uh-huh.
And one more thing is remaining it. What about permanent license after completing of internship?
You can directly apply for it right away.
Okay. Any fees for that?
There is a certain fees. I think 2,000 something. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Thank you so much, Dr. Anuprati, for all this
Okay.
information, and thank you so much for
having
joining
me.
us.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.